Hey guys, I hope you are doing absolutely well. I'm Ruchi Gopal and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Well, I'm currently in Jaipur and I have had wonderful time over here. And also I have had luxury to explore this beautiful city a few times. So now I'm going to share you my very quick guide, the guide that is going to be absolutely in your budget, and also it is going to quick fix for the people who are having different amount of time to explore Jaipur. I'm going to divide this video in three parts. First, for the people who have full-fledged day to explore. Second, for the people who have at least half day to explore. And third part, for the people who are here for few hours or who have got some important work to be done here, but they would want to have outing for 2-3 hours. So we're quickly going to start this video. I hope this is going to be a really helpful video for each one of you. So I have shortlisted 6 things or places to be done here, and everything is going to be based on the time you're having to spend in Jaipur. So my very first preference and the most beautiful thing I have experienced in this beautiful city, it is none other than Amer Fort. Yes, I have made a full-fledged video on this beautiful fort, so you can actually have the full day outing in the Amer Fort. You can just hire a guide at a very minimal price and you're going to have the luxury of full exploration of this absolutely beautiful fort. You're going to have the full day over there. You're going to have the option of shopping. You're going to have the option of enjoying the typical Jaipuri food. We're absolutely going to have amazing lifelong memories exploring this absolutely beautiful fort. After exploring this beautiful fort in the span of around 4-5 hours, you can actually go for the light and sound show that is right in front of Amer Fort in the evening time. Well, my second preference would go to the next spot that I'm going to talk about, and it is another very beautiful thing to explore in Jaipur at least one time, and it is none other than Hawa Mahal. Yes, it is a very small fort, and if you are going to have 1.5 hour to 2 hour, you can actually go to Hawa Mahal, take a guide at a very minimal price and have the good exploration of this little fort that is going to be completed in to the max 1.5 or 2 hours. Again, my next preference for the people who are having 2-3 hours is going to be who actually want to have a touch of Nainital or Mussoorie with the weather of Jaipur. You can actually go to Nahargarh Fort that is made on very high point in Jaipur, and it is absolutely on the hill, so you can explore all the hills and all the mountain area of Jaipur. After having this mountain experience in Jaipur, you're going to reach the peak where you can actually explore a very beautiful rooftop view where you can see the entire Jaipur city from the rooftop, and also there is very special sunset point over there, so you can just sit in the evening time. So the perfect timings for the sunset would obviously be around 4 to 6 in the evening, so you can go with your family or your loved one and you can sit at the rooftop and enjoy the beautiful city view with the amazing and surreal sunset. And now we are done with the historical exploration of Jaipur. If you're having the full day time, you can explore Amer Fort, and in the evening time you can go for the light and sound show, and if you're having couple of hours, you can go to Hawa Mahal or Nahargarh Fort according to your needs and kind of exploration you would like to have. So my next point is for the people who are done with the exploration and now they want to buy something good for their family and loved ones. So of course, the most loved market of Jaipur, it is none other than the Bapu Bazaar. You are going to explore a very beautiful market in the evening time with really good lighting, and if by any chance you don't want to make it in the evening, you can actually go there around 4 or 5. It is open, so you don't have to go anywhere if you want to buy anything related to Jaipur. Just straight away go to Bapu Bazaar and you can have a good shopping time over there, including the very famous lassi point over there. You can go there and enjoy ice cream lassi. That is very famous thing to be done in Jaipur whenever you come over here. My fifth and sixth point are exclusively dedicated to the people who are having again the couple of hours in the evening time. It's after the 6 p.m. if you're going to have the time, and if you just quickly want to explore the history of Jaipur, you can straight away go to the Light and Sound show that is available in the City Palace Jaipur and Amer Fort Jaipur. So you are going to hardly have 1 hour of Light and Sound show and you're done, and also you are going to have a good knowledge of history of Jaipur, how Jaipur is made, and there are a lot of good things that are going to be shown in Light and Sound show related to Jaipur. Again, in my next point, if you want to have a good touch of Rajasthan with enjoying typical Rajasthani food, then straight away go to this very famous restaurant plus resort that is made in typical Rajasthani style, and it is none other than Chowki Dhani. You're going to enjoy the very yummy food in the evening time and also going to have a good touch of Rajasthan where everything is made considering the fact that whosoever visit there should have a good experience of having visited typical Rajasthani restaurant. So these were my 6 points for the people who quickly want to explore Jaipur, and I'm absolutely sure these are going to be the very keynotes for the people who are either the first time visitors or the people who don't have too much time to explore everything new in this city and who don't have way too many days to see new thing every single day. So if you're going to keep these 6 points in your mind, you're absolutely going to have really good time even if you're having very limited time to explore Jaipur. I hope you must have liked this video. Do subscribe my channel for more such videos. And if you want me to add on something related to this trip in the next video, do let me know in comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.